So with ServiceNow ITSM Pro, not only have customers upped their game with great solutions such as AI, the machine learning, and virtual agents found in that SKU, they also have solutions that start their journey on optimizing both vendor management as well as driving service excellence with purpose-built workspaces. So with that, let's begin. Customers like yourself spoke about the challenges around vendor management. One, it's hard to track what vendors are doing. And if it can be tracked, it's still hard to measure the value that the vendor is bringing to the organization. And long and short, they're just looking for ways to improve the vendor management and services being delivered. So we've listened. Here is vendor management from ServiceNow. We can view vendor profiles. We can manage the performance of the company's vendors in a unified location. And it's really thanks to the Now platform. Here we can see a comprehensive layout around vendor information and the related services that are being delivered. Not to mention all the aggregated data from multiple applications, both qualitative and quantitative metrics can be used to measure the performance of your vendors. And it's all in one single workspace. Even the ability to drive customer satisfaction scores and get granular on each of the services and assets that are being offered by these vendors. And it's really just that simple, as it should be. And it's really thanks to a single cloud platform, the Now platform, those digital workflows that are underpinning the wealth of this data. Also, it's feedback from customers like you. ITSM uplevels the end-to-end vendor experience. So let's switch gears slightly to services and the delivery of those services. Let's talk ServiceNow's Service Owner Workspace. This is where service owners can view and manage service portfolios in one unified location. Now, just like what we saw in vendor management, this portal is integrated with performance analytics metrics, as well as able to mitigate any of the risks around services. And finally, the ability to continually improve on all those services. So here's the problems that we're hearing from you: the disjointed information, unable to analyze service performance, as well as services and applications are just siloed. And this is Service Owner Workspace. And no, you're not seeing anything. This familiar looking workbench can truly maximize service quality and offer the same integrated view around a full service lifecycle. It increases service value and satisfaction. It assists with cost management as well as future planning of services. Now, once again, highlighting how the Now platform can ingest various information around enterprise service needs, run performance analytics against key data points so that teams can take meaningful action on current and future company service strategies. So you heard me mention performance analytics in both vendor management and the Service Owner Workspace. This is an ITSM Pro feature that puts the power of data into the hands of process owners, key stakeholders, and subject matter experts responsible for any kind of service delivery. So with performance analytics, you get out of the box dashboards and KPIs. You get real-time visibility and the ability to spotlight and focus teams on what they should prioritize, as well as get automatic alerts about anomalies that can impact services with something we call KPI signals. So this concludes my demo. There's a lot around ITSM Pro, but hopefully this gives you some insight on how to manage vendors and service portfolio performance, and insight into how to manage vendors more effectively, use performance analytics to drive those results, and more importantly, possibly deliver on employee expectations. Now, for more information, please check out these useful links that you see here. And with that, I want to thank you for spending your time with me.